Bam! What's up guys, today I am showing some toy guns and very interesting equipment. So let's begin the show. First of all guys, I can show you this toy rifle. Dun, dun, dun. Yes, this is a toy rifle. This is totally pink and sky blue color combination toy rifle. Okay, this is not the proper rifle, and how it's work I show you later. Okay, now I assemble it by this extend. This is a pink color extend. Okay guys, pink color extend. So guys, this is the proper toy rifle. Okay guys, see, this is nice. Wow, amazing, chill, yeah. And this is what this need a battery. So guys, this is 3 battery. Okay guys, see, this is 3 white and red color battery, and I assemble it. 1, 2 and 3. Ten, ten, ten.
Oh yeah.
So guys, this is the proper toy rifle. And how it's work? See guys, this is its work. Okay guys, then guys I can show you this what? This is a headphone. Okay guys, this is a headphone. Wow. This is the headphone. Okay guys, see, this is wire headphone. Okay guys, then guys I can show you toy shotgun. Yes, this is black, yellow and what? Deep orange color combination toy shotgun. Wow. This is a plastic body shotgun. This shotgun is very qualityful. See guys, and how it works? Turn and shoot. Turn and shoot. Turn and shoot. Wow, this is nice. Have a look at this. Then guys, I can show you this toy pistol. Dun, dun, dun. Yes, this is a toy pistol. Silver and red color combination toy pistol. Wow, this is nice. Turn and shoot. Turn and this is another toy pistol. Wow, guys, do you see that? Same. Turn and shoot. Wow. Wow. Then guys, I can show you this totally black color toy razor light. This is not toy razor light, guys. This is a real razor light. This is total black. This razor light is a silver. Okay. And how it's work? Oh, wow. See guys?
Oh yeah.
Green color light. And guys, thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.